Hello guys, welcome back. My name is Chad Godoy and I'm a virtual assistant and I help people how to be a VA. And for today, we're going to answer a question from one of my friend in Facebook na nagtanong sa akin just recently, no? Her name was City and this is her question. Hi, Chad. Ask ko lang po, currently po ay may work ako. May mga part-time din po bang job sa freelancing? Nanonood po ako currently nung VA training nyo sa YouTube. Okay, ito yung mga currently dilemma no, ng mga tao na gustong pumasok sa freelancing but they cannot, get into this full time kasi syempre, 'di ba? Minsan pamilyado, may mga anak, may pinapakain, may pinapadede. So pero they want to have a side hustle, a side business or they want to jump from one corporate cubicle job going into the freelancing world where they believe that they can have the best opportunity for them to work on. So, to answer the question ni City, yes. Technically, it's called freelancing, no? Um, kasi free tayo mamili, no? Free tayong um, mag-work kung gusto ba nating part-time or kung gusto ba nating lunurin yung sarili natin sa trabaho. We are free. That's why we are called freelancers. And yes, there is a lot of positions available to fill no when it comes to freelancing or pag-freelancing. And ano ba 'yon? Pag-uusapan natin ngayon. So to answer that siguro yung tamang tanong ko ngayon is ano ba yung hilig mong gawin, no? Hindi lang naman kasi dapat tayo pag mag-freelancing tayo, we want to become a VA, hindi lang dapat inaalam natin yung mga trabaho eh. Because the work is already there. The right question is ano ba yung hilig mo, no? Ano ba yung gusto mong gawin, no? Ano ba yung mga hobbies mo, no? Ano na naka-inline ba yun sa personality mo? 'Di ba? Kasi ang pag-VVN, pag-freelancing, it's really not just a job. I believe it's really not just a job. It's your personal extension no ng sarili mo kung sino ka o ano ka bilang tao, kung ano yung hilig mo. It's also yun, kaya nga 'di ba? Minsan sabi natin yung hobbies natin, minsan yun yung nagiging tulay para mag-grow tayo or para mag-grow tayo sa person or makapag-build tayo ng business. Minsan nanggagaling lang yan sa hobbies natin, doon sa mga kinakatuwaan nating gawin or hilig nating gawin. So sa freelancing, sa pag-virtual assistant, ganun din, no? Whether you want graphic design, whether you want, you really love doing social media, you really love marketing, you really love talking to people, doing sales, or you're so good at videos, nung bata ka mahilig kang mag-edit ng videos, mahilig kang gumawa ng mga video nung high school ka sa pag may mga groupings, 'di ba? Kung may mga presentation, you love editing those videos, or you love coding, you love programming. So madami, no? Madami yung mga part-time jobs na pwede nating i-fill. So kung naguguluhan ka, no? Ang mga kadalasan naman kasing ang pwede mong gawing part-time, no, lalo na pag beginner ka at wala kang idea is mostly, 'di ba, yung mga usual suspects, yung social media, yung graphic design, yung pag-edit ng mga videos, pagmamanage ng mga YouTube channel, doing some data entry, 'di ba? Pwede rin kasing part-time 'yun eh or nagma-manage ka ng isang website, no, for business owners, yung mga busy people na small business owners na hindi na wala silang na gusto nilang i-outsource, no, yung trabaho nila. So, madami, no? Pwedeng podcast, 'di ba? Taga-edit ka ng audio ng isang podcaster, ng mga coaches na may mga mga nagpo-podcast or kagaya ko, 'di ba, may YouTube channel ako na pag nahirapan ako mag-edit ng videos, pwede kong i-outsource 'yun, no? Pwedeng VA yung gagawa nun. So maraming pagkakataon, maraming mga trabahong pwedeng maging part-time. Kasi ako dati nagsimula rin akong part-time, no? And nung nag-start ako, ang part-time na ginawa ko, kagaya ng karamihan sa atin, is nag-e-edit-edit ako ng mga images, no? Nagka-Canva-Canva ako, nag-aaral ako magsulat ng ng mga description, mga captions for social media kasi I want to work as a social media manager, which is I'm currently working on now, 'di ba? I'm a virtual assistant, but most of the things that I do is social media management. No, that's why I do have my own YouTube channel kasi nga ito nga yung hilig ko, 'di ba? It's the natural extension of me as a person. Ito yung gusto kong gawin. Hindi man ako magaling mag-edit ng videos, mahilig naman akong ganito, mag-shoot ng videos. I love editing videos for my clients. I love uploading those videos sa YouTube. I love seeing analytics because I enjoy it. Kaya nandun ako sa role na yon. So maraming pwedeng part-time. Kung accountant ka, may bookkeeping, no? There's a bookkeeping part-time. Marami ako kakilala mga bookkeepers. Kung mahilig ka sa social media, mag-social media manager ka. You work part-time. Kung mahilig ka magsulat, you can become a content writer or a copywriter, no? Lalo na yung copywriting, pwede mo talagang gawin yung part-time kasi it just takes a less time to write an email, 'di ba? Minsan nga sobra na yung isang oras bilang isang email copywriter eh. So you can also do it part-time. So if you have work and you have the discipline, you can study being a copywriter and then write emails for a specific niche like health or survival niche, whatever the niche that you want to write on. So yun yung isipin mo. Think of the thing that is a natural extension of you as a person. Ano yung hilig mong gawin? And you have to start there, no? Huwag kang lahat aalamin mo. Like, gusto kong mag-Facebook ads kasi maraming mababayad na pera. Gusto kong mag social media kasi malaki yung kikitain. Or gusto kong mag-copywriting kasi to $3,000 $4,000 kaya palang kitain nun buwan-buwan. Hindi dapat gano'n. Dapat alamin mo yung gusto mong munang kunin. And then you start building yourself onto that. You start to grow it, no? You invest on yourself. You take some time to learn it. You build yourself, you take the rest, no? Try to um give yourself the opportunity to do the thing kahit parang feeling mo sa sisimula ka, 'di ba, parang minsan gawang bata 'yan. Try to experience failure at some point, 'no, para ma-experience mo muna yung trabaho na yon. And then eventually you will grow it, it will improve, ma-enhance mo yon, and then people will start to recognize the value of what you do. Kasi nga pag nag-i-invest ka ng time, nag-i-invest ka sa mga paid courses, like kunyari, bumili ka ng paid courses sa freelance school na mga tinitinda ng mga mentors, when you invest your time, your money, your effort, connecting with other people, it will grow and it will build through time. And that is for today, no? So, I hope na-answer ko yung tanong mo. At siguro sa susunod na mga panahon sana makita kita sa freelancer na may ginagawa ka na para sa mga clients mo. At kung may mga tanong ka pa, don't worry, don't hesitate, no? And if kung pinapanood nyo ako sa YouTube, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the like or the notification for you to get updated on my next video. Salamat po.